Today, we're going to unlock the single biggest secret for reading that most people overlook. The reason your child might be struggling isn't that they aren't smart, it's that we often start teaching reading the wrong way. The title of this video is, Why Your Little One Cannot Read, and the number one reason is this: they don't know the sounds of the letters. Yes, the sounds. The sounds of the letters is very important when teaching reading to beginners. Let's break this down. From a very young age, we teach our children the names of the letters. We sing A, B, C, D. And that's fantastic. But reading isn't about naming letters. Reading is about decoding sounds. Think about the word cat. If a child only knows the letter names, they see, C-I-T. That doesn't sound anything like cat. It's just 3 random names. But when a child knows the sounds, they see the letters and think. They will sound out each letter. Their brain can then blend those 3 sounds together and they say cat. It's like magic. The code is cracked. Now, not knowing letter sounds is the biggest hurdle, but it creates a domino effect. Here are 2 other major reasons your child might be struggling, which all connect back to sounds. This is a fancy term for a simple idea: the ability to hear and play with the individual sounds inside of words. It's a pre-reading skill that happens with your ears, not with letters on a page. Can your child tell you the first sound they hear in moon? M. Can they clap the 3 syllables in bienana? Can they tell you what word you get if you change the ch in cat to hat? If these skills are weak, sounding out words on a page will feel nearly impossible. It all starts with hearing the music of our language. Many kids are taught to guess words based on the first letter or the picture. So, for the word dog under a picture of a puppy, they might see the D and say puppy, or doggy. While using context is a later skill, relying on it instead of sounding out creates a bad habit. It teaches them to skip the words, not read them. A strong reader uses the letters as their primary clue, and the picture to confirm. It all comes back to trusting those letter sounds. So, what can you do? Don't worry, it's not too late, and it doesn't have to be boring. Let's turn this into play. When you see letters around the house, on signs, or in books, start emphasizing the sound. Point to a B and say, "Look, Abe like in ball and baby." Make the sound, don't just name the letter. I spy with my little eye, something that starts with the sound. This forces them to think about the initial sound of objects around them. Use magnetic letters, write letters in sand, or form them with Play-Doh. As your child touches the letter, you both say its sound, not its name. So, to recap, your child struggles to read most likely because they haven't yet mastered the sounds of the letters. This weak foundation affects their ability to sound out words and can lead to guessing. The good news? You now hold the key. Shift your focus from letter names to letter sounds through play, and you will be absolutely amazed at the progress your little one makes. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Kidzonic World for more tips on helping your child learn and grow.